What's up, everybody? It occurred to me that I hadn't really recorded anything today, so we're cleaning out the shed today. Biggest reason for that is we're gonna bring you behind the scenes of us doing a short where we break that glass today. So this is gonna be our new smashing station. So I'm gonna try to make things so it's easy to take them in and out, in and out, in and out. So, all right, just so you can see the progress. Turn you around here real quick. Little pals. Lily dog's over there, but that's pretty much the whole shed. See if I can get some. Yeah, there you go. All that. Not really too bad. So, all right, we're gonna move this thing now. I haven't moved this thing in, I don't even know, over a year probably. Wales. Hey. Slide you over here real quick. So for anybody that don't know, that's like a 1956, I think it is, machine. Originally, as you can see here and here, this had a door on it, and it was the first one to like go inside of your cabinets, so it would match your cabinets and everything else. It still runs when you plug it in, still fires right up. So I don't know if these get cold, but I'm looking to sell it. I'm looking to sell the thing. I've had it up on Marketplace, I think for like 300. So if you know anybody, send them my way. Anyway, we're not pulling that jackhammer out of there. Yeah, it's a beast. It's heavy. You see what it did? The tip just went right through the earth. It's gonna go right to the center of the earth. So we're in cleanup mode now. I'm gonna start cleaning this stuff up. All right, as you can see here, we got it all spick and span. There's my jackhammer. That was actually given to me before I got into junking by a plumber that retired. He's like, you know what? I used that thing once or twice before. So he's like, you can have that thing. All right, anyway, now next step, we gotta go get the glass. It's over there. And we'll bring it back in, and then we gotta figure out how to rope it up. So that should be interesting. Be right back. All right, so here we go. Oh, well, maybe we'll start here instead of showing you my butt. All right, here we go. First rule of staying safe is use a ladder when you have to get up on something. Unlike me, who just does this. Right now, we're just going through. I'm not really sure what I'm doing. I'll be honest with you. This is not what I want. Because I want this to come down. And that's going to be the support. I think we'll put it in the back of it. Oh boy. Ta-da! Boom! And that's how that thing's gonna stay up. Just like that. So when we throw it through, bang! Right there. And I think I'm gonna have you guys back here on this shot. Because I'm gonna be throwing it. Take this little thing off here. I'm gonna be throwing it in such a way that I don't think I'm gonna get you guys. I think you're gonna be all right over there in the corner. Hopefully we get the whole shot there. I'm gonna do a couple test shots. All right, we're about to shoot this thing. Still good with your shot? Yeah. All right. Here we go, you ready? Hit the button.
Okay.
All right, everybody, you know what time it is. You wanted to smash it, you got to smash it. Let's get it. Oh, I didn't break. So stop it. Stop it. It didn't break. Still good? It didn't break. All right, you ready? Did you hit it? Go ahead, hit it. Good? Take two. That's incredible. There that is. There you go. I think we contained it. Oh, the camera went down. I wonder when the camera went down. Did any glass? I see some glass over here. Hello, camera. That'll be interesting to see what that shot was like. All right, well, there you go. I think the camera still made it, so I think we're good on that. Time to clean up. All right, well, now it's time to clean it all up. Hey, Clary, you think you can run around front and grab me one of the green trash cans? Yeah. Thanks, kid. All right, sweet. And boom, there you go. Now the shed is all cleaned up. And there's room for me to put more junk in there. Yay! Now I try to keep this just to my stuff. So anyway, alright, on we go. Okay, it's still a Saturday. You know I can't stay inside the house that long. You know that's not real. I don't know what this is, but it's not staying in my trailer. Well, most of it's already in the trailer. Gross nasty right there. That's some gross nasty. Let's go. All right, well, we're out here doing more driving around than anything. Literally the only thing we got was that stuff that we brought you in on. This is like neighborhood number 2, maybe, something like that. So I'm not hanging around long. I've seen pretty much enough that We're gonna hit one more neighborhood on the way back. We're gonna pop out of here, and that's gonna be at night. Because I think I just came out way too late. It was like 7 o'clock, and if you're getting on a Saturday, I feel like it's one of those get out early. Get out early and get out on it. And that wasn't us. We were shooting videos today. All right, grill on the table. We'll take it. It gives me a little hope. Gives me a little hope. Whoa, what do you got going on there? Gives me a little hope that maybe it didn't get stepped on as bad as I thought it was. Maybe Saturday's just not the greatest day for scrapping sometimes. We got this little nugget. This little noodle nugget of a grill. It looked like it served proudly though. Honorably. Oh, how in depth do we want to get? Maybe just lay this down. We'll lay that down. All right, no gate. We're going. I need a cheap subscribe splat, so team lift on this thing. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we go, team lift. Oh, and if you want to be a team member, you got to do us a huge favor and smash that like and subscribe button, and also ring the bell. Ring my bell so you can know when we put out content just like this. Oh, don't get hit by a car now. Oh, nice. How you doing, boss? Good. For the trash, right? Yep. Thank you so much. We definitely got some metal. Oh, it's a whole roll-up door. Sweet. That definitely works. It's probably some aluminum. Ew. Take this. Oh yeah, that's some Jeffy stuff. Yeah, I mean, there's all metal in there. Not as heavy as I thought it was gonna be. But that's all right. We'll take what we can get. Let's go. Back in the neighborhood. We have called it quits. We were just heading home. And we got literally like 3 or 4, no, the house is really like right down there. And we got this, so that'll probably be it for tonight. Thank y'all so much for riding along. Doing a little shed clean out with us. Tomorrow's a mega day. Alright, hey everybody. Good morning. Happy Sunday. So, in case I ain't got enough stuff going on, we're getting back in shape. I've committed to either doing a Tough Mudder or a half marathon in December. So, I may even do both on the same weekend if I can get the scheduling all worked out, right? So today is the first day starting training. This month what we're gonna do is a burpee challenge. So I'll put the schedule up there so you guys can see it. But today's first day is 20 burpees. So I do not do the jump. For anybody who knows, I have 6 herniated discs and 2 bulging discs. So 8 messed up discs total in my back. So we're gonna try to do stuff that's not me jumping out of the ceiling. So here we go. We need to get 20 in. And if you notice, I try to do a lot of my stuff time under tension, so my push-ups will be slower, and the leg kick back up, that's just going to be what it is. So 20 of them. Let's bust it out. All right, that's 20. I gotta make up a couple of days too. So we're gonna bust out another 10 at some point today. Woo, that was good. This is a call that we had gotten last night. I just didn't get out here in time. I just, yeah, I didn't get, I did get over this way, but I was just going a different way, so. Very good, very good, very good. These people used to be our neighbors. This is gonna be a rough one. This one may not go to Rusty. Trying to get out of saying that we donate all bikes, because unfortunately we don't donate all the bikes. We donate bikes that are in relatively good condition. How did I not ruin this one? Holy moly. Well, that's good. All right, we're gonna go do a little bit more morning run. We'll have around action. It's a positive start to this Sunday, to this great day. Hope y'all are having a great day. I don't know when you're gonna see this. My brain isn't calculating that far in advance. Yeah, it's like a little hitch post. That's plastic. Let's see, when will you see this? You'll see this on like, oh yeah, we'll take that dryer cord. Oh, this is still a Monday episode, so happy Monday. You'll see this tomorrow. Good for you guys. Hope you have a great week. Yeah, a little chair action. We like chairs. All right. Good Sunday morning. Out here grinding on it a little bit. Winter chicken dinner. Oh yeah. This thing's got scrapyard written all over it. But that's a good sign. That is a good sign. Man. All right. Oh, there's a rotor over there too. Hey there, rotor. Up we go. The walk. Let's go grab that rotor. And we are moving right along. I like that. Put the gate up and we'll be on our way. I almost didn't even come this way. I don't know what this is, but there appears to be copper inside of it. So we will gladly take that. That's metal too. We're kind of wrapping back around towards the house now. Once again, Sunday morning, it's just, it's all right though. Every little bit counts. Hopefully, Sunday. Is that a team lift? That really wasn't bad. That wasn't. All right, there was some vultures around this little bad nugget. Let me get this closed up here. It's an old briefcase. That's gross. There's some really gross things going on right here. Don't think I'm gonna be poking through this stuff. Yeah. Yep. Yepper. Yucky. You roll? Yeah, you can roll. Yeah, we got just a spot for you. Just a spot. Sweet. It's all empty. It's all. I gotta get this drill out of here. I've been back and forth with this drill. It smokes. It's smoking hot. I just know there's some kind of rebuild value in it, but anyway, this is what we got so far. This is like, we'll call this the morning load. So, that's what I say about that. Meh. Meh, meh, meh. Got a grill waiting out for us. This is a friend of mine that I've known back when Ava was doing karate. We always used to talk, you know, sitting around, waiting, yip yapping. So, we stayed in touch. His boys are now on to their black belt. Ava didn't want to do it anymore. I'm like, oh man, she could have been a black belt, but also wasn't exactly her thing. So that's life. All right, this is good. Good way to start. Strap this thing down and be on our way. All right, we'll leave the wood here. We're kind of in a bad area, so I just kind of want to throw this stuff in there, and then we can get to a better area. If that makes sense. We can restrap it up down the road here. Here we go. Team lift. Teamwork makes the dream. Oh. All right, you know what that means. To be part of the team, you got to hit that like and subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Helps get us out there. Helps bring our stuff to the world. Yay. All right, we got a chair. Oh, this thing's busted. Busted. All right, well, I'm gonna strap this down, but we're off to a pretty good start. 2 grills. Past couple weeks, I haven't really hit anything in this neighborhood, so. And I had a big smudge on the camera. So once again, from the technical department of Junkman 5000, we send our apologies. Oh, I didn't bring a hammer. Hammer's still on the side of the house from my shenanigans yesterday. Wood at first. Came around the corner, it looked like wood. This is not wood. It's pretty good steel heel. Steel heel? It's a pretty good steel heel. All right, that sounds fun. I tell you what, it was definitely too heavy for this, for that little trash can. Oh yeah. All right, well, you see what we're doing here. Loading up some steel. Trying to get this thing done up right. Get in. I think we're gonna try our nighttime route a little bit later than we've been going lately. See if it produces any better. Cool. So we got a tip that there's some stuff out in a neighborhood, I don't know, probably about 10 minutes away. So we're gonna go run up there real quick. Supposedly like 2 or 3 washing machines, something like that. So enough that's gonna make me want to pull off my normal route and see if we can go get something going. Okay, well, that's the thing. Well, hopefully next time we see you, we got some washing machines on his thing right there. Okay. Yes, this was a good tip. That's heavy. Don't you do that. That thing's heavy. All right. See what that cooler looks like. I was kind of worried about that thing right there. See if we can get all, oh, there's a reefer core there and everything. I mean, the whole AC is there. Any copper under there? That's a pretty good find right here. Probably have to get the hand truck out at some point. We're gonna start hauling all this stuff. Really need to start making some. You can go right under there. Boom. Try is good. Wash is good. No radiator action. Oh, I bet you there's a whole copper coil in there. I bet too. That there's a whole copper coil in there. All right. This is good money. Oh yeah, you guys will be yelling like, throw the stuff in the dryer. Throw it in the washer. I know, I got you. I know, I said I know, but I never do it. Do you ever do it? No. But you said you know like you do it, yes. You can see where that's wrong. Oh, I stepped in the juice puddle. Darn it. Oh yeah, just a little water. Nothing crazy. All right, let's grab the hand truck. We'll be right back. So this is pretty good. This is we won't complain about that. I wonder if I got my hazards on right now. I do. For some reason this light ain't working. What's your problem? These things are, yeah. You can't fire or nothing. I know the other one's working. Oh, there you go. Oh. Well, that's no good. We gotta fix that. Oh, boy. I mean, we've probably been running around with no trailer lights. I mean, it should be just as easy as. Oh, that whole back is gone. Just you know what I'm saying. Should be just that easy. Just buy another set of lights. And boom, change them out. But I probably want to do that sooner than later. Boy. Alright, so I definitely can't see going back to those neighborhoods. Oh, this thing's heavy. Going back to the neighborhood where I was just at. I'm definitely gonna have to go drop this. And then see what time it is. See if we're gonna do one more load today. 2 more. Alright, I think that's all that stuff. Maybe I'll take y'all's advice and put some stuff in there. Oh yeah, there's some copper. These things are the worst. Stupid things. They and they come apart. They come apart. Whew. Holy sea area here. Copper on there. Put your light. That down in there. Bunch of angle iron. Sump pump. Oh, thank goodness. Thank goodness that didn't come down again. Bust me up. It is getting hot.
I'm getting sweaty. That is all right. This is one of those piles. One of those piles, you know what I mean? Whew. Aluminum, there's the back of the dryer. Oh yeah. And we gotta unload all this. Yucky. But I'll take it. I got no problem. Whoops. Sorry about that. Sorry. She's like, watch out, you lunatic. It's the neighbor. She's definitely like, watch out, you lunatic. How you doing, boss? Nice. Nice, nice, nice. All right, this is definitely a good stop. We are all right with this. That is for sure. All right, this thing's gonna need to get cut. Smush this thing. Smush the gush. There you go. There you go. Boom. All right, that's all cleaned up. I'm a big sweaty mess. I'm gonna strap this thing down. That was a good stop. AC pretty much all broken down. I think 90% of the compressor's still there. The compressor, reef coil, all that. Woo! Next stop, back to the house. I came to my brother-in-law's house because he's the one who told me about it. And it's a good turnaround point because this road is a dead end. So yeah, came here, got a couple things. Whoo! And now it's back to the house. Let's go. Here at the house, we're back. I gotta figure out what we're gonna do. Well, the first thing we're gonna do is unload this. We're gonna unload this, and then I think that's gonna be it. I think that's gonna be it for us today. Because my thinking is, if I can just go get one more like big load, well then, that sounds pretty good. We need our hammer back. This is where we propped up all the stuff for that short. We went through everything. Pretty good amount of grills today. Don't know why this... Ooh, that wasn't locked in? Or did I already pull that? I can hear people, why don't you put the small stuff in the dryer? I know, I'm sorry. Actually, I think those, who knows? At first I was like, I don't think anybody's gonna want those. But now that I'm looking at them, you know, they're a little worn out, but it's a matching set. Should be at least worth asking about. All right, well, I'm gonna run through this. I am going to get all this stuff picked up, and then we're probably gonna cut it after that. Come back, show you how much of it took up, how much space it made here. And then after that, probably gonna call that a weekend. Because if I can go out and get one more good size load, who knows? I go out and get one more good size load, it's gonna be and I get done early enough, it's gonna be empty again. Go hit it again. Who am I kidding? Who's joking with who right now? Man, those things, they just disintegrate. That's the end of it.
Game over. Yeah, that's right. Hiya. Alright, good people. I'm gonna finish unloading this and we will see y'all in a little bit. There you go. See that? It's all empty. That's what we got. That's the weekend. But it's still early, so we're gonna jump right back out on it. Let me just pull you right off here. Woo! It's hot. So we're just gonna jump right back out on it. So giving this the time to say thank you to you guys. Thank you to hanging out, watching all this nonsense. It's hot. Woo! It's a little warm out. So we're gonna turn and burn on this one real quick. I'm just gonna go change out this SD card and right back out. I gotta think it's maybe like 1:30, something like that, maybe a little earlier than that. So tomorrow should be action packed. See if leave you guys in a little suspense, see if we do a third load or not. You're gonna have to tune in tomorrow to see if it's a 3-load type of Sunday. So until then, team lift. There is no you without us. Keep grinding, because I'm grinding with you. We'll see you tomorrow, and have a great day.